Yeah, welcome back to Lombard Kitchen. Recipe for today, you're going to have some curry cow foot, otherwise diamond cut cow foot, right? Alright, so see my ingredients here. See curry here, right here. We have a season, Maggi all purpose, Maggi chicken, and see broad bean right here. See peas there, some garlic and pimento seed. You can see all of my cow foot spice here. Ingredients here: sweet pepper, onion, Irish, hot pepper, ginger, garlic, carrot, scallion, thyme. We also have some pimento seed. So this is the diamond cut cow foot. Yes, we're going to curry it. I have some fry pan on the side. So please to subscribe, like and share, comment. So start the border roll now. Yeah, we're going to throw some oil in the pot. Not really enough, so make it go on hot. I know a curry cow foot. That one that now. Yes, when that. Don't know. Spice up it and thing. Burn the curry after. Yeah, you can see some pepper, garlic, and ginger. Go and burn in the oil. You hear the curry burning on, See, go foot there. Alright, so I'm gonna add it in the oil, alright? Yeah. Yeah, see the curry cow foot there. Diamond cutter. I will tenderize it to 15 minutes. After I add the water and cook it down. So this is the way to prepare my diamond cut cow foot. So please subscribe, like and share. Watch till the end. Subscribe, like and share. I'm going to add some water to my cow foot now, see there? Alright. Yeah, that. There's some peas pot there. Cow foot there. The spice there. So I put in spice. Yeah, see curry cow foot there? Yeah man. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Have some fry pan. Curry cow foot, Yeah, spice and nice. Alright, my peeps, you know what's there? Recipe for today are some curry cow foot with broad bean, rice and peas. It's lumberjack represents, so dinner time. I'm going to show you how I prepare my curry cow foot with my rice and peas and the ingredients them. So I'm going to show you the present about the food. Yeah, the service say nobody near can get some of the food with taste. It's delicious and it's yummy of the quality of the food. Cause we now cook food and post food and it don't eatable. It make no sense, So a lumberjack can represent 7 time rise, 7 time fall. We don't believe in the falling thing. Alright. know a fork and spoon now, so you don't know a fork and spoon. But we take the spoon, share the rice. So in the idea of rinse about the rice, you share the meat now and thing and see it. Yeah. So we have to show them it's all about say. Some people are say, oh John, no, you take the one spoon, share the two food. You have to show some rinse about the spoon. Yeah, because we show it clean, I'll show you the cleanness. Yes, see the quality of the food here. And I take a picture still so I can see it more better. Now we're on the stuff.